In today's digital age, where smartphones have become an indispensable part of daily life, starting a cell phone mobile device repair business can be a lucrative venture. This video outlines a practical and detailed guide on how to initiate and establish a successful repair business in this thriving industry. Step 1: Market research and planning. Begin by conducting thorough market research to understand the demand for cell phone repair services in your area. Analyze the competition, identify your target audience, and evaluate the types of devices in demand. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Consider factors such as location, target demographics, and the services you plan to offer, whether it's screen replacements, battery repairs, or software troubleshooting. Step 2: Legal requirements and certification. Ensure compliance with local and state regulations for starting a small business. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits, and consider liability insurance to protect your business and customers. Acquiring industry-specific certifications, such as those offered by the Cellular Telecommunications and Internet Association (CTIA), can enhance your credibility and reassure customers of your expertise. Establish clear policies on warranties, customer satisfaction, and data privacy to build trust and differentiate your business in a competitive market. Step 3: Set up a professional workspace. Create a well-equipped and organized workspace for your cell phone repair business. Invest in quality tools, repair equipment, and spare parts to handle a variety of devices efficiently. Ensure your workspace is clean, well-lit, and organized to foster a professional environment. Implement proper safety measures for handling delicate electronic components, and stay updated on the latest repair techniques and technologies to provide top-notch service. Step 4: Marketing and branding. Develop a strong online and offline presence to attract customers. Create a professional website showcasing your services, prices, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to engage with potential customers and showcase successful repairs. Implement targeted local marketing strategies, such as distributing flyers, partnering with local businesses, and offering promotions to attract the initial customer base. Foster positive reviews and testimonials to build a trustworthy reputation, as word of mouth can significantly impact the success of your business. Step 5: Customer service and continuous improvement. Prioritize excellent customer service to build lasting relationships and encourage repeat business. Communicate clearly with customers about repair processes, timelines, and costs. Provide transparent pricing and offer estimates before beginning any work. Collect feedback to identify areas for improvement and adjust your services accordingly. Stay informed about the latest trends in mobile devices, as well as emerging technologies, to adapt your business and services to evolving customer needs. Continuously invest in employee training and stay ahead in the industry to ensure the long-term success of your cell phone mobile device repair business. By following these steps, aspiring entrepreneurs can lay the foundation for a thriving cell phone repair business, capitalizing on the growing demand for reliable and efficient mobile device repair services in the digital era.